Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful topic for students: how to make extra money while in school. Whether you're looking to save up, cover some of those college expenses, or just want some extra spending money, I've got 10 practical ways for you to make money as a student, without having to take on a full-time. 10 ways to make money as a student. Idea 1. On-campus jobs. Let's start right where you are, on campus. Many schools offer on-campus jobs that are super flexible and student-friendly. You could become a teaching assistant, work in the library, or even take on a job at the student union or cafe. These jobs are convenient, don't require a commute, and are usually designed to work around your class schedule. Idea 2. Tutoring. If you're good at a particular subject, why not turn it into cash? Tutoring is a fantastic way to make money, plus you're helping others succeed. You can tutor fellow students, or, if you want to take it online, try platforms like Wizen or Chegg Tutors. You can set your rates, and this can easily be done in the evenings or weekends. Idea 3. Freelancing. Online freelancing is perfect for students with specific skills like graphic design, writing, programming, or video editing. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to take on gigs when you have the time. Plus, you can set your rates and choose the projects that interest you. Idea 4. Selling class notes. Next up, if you take detailed class notes, put them to use. Sites like StudOcu and Nexus Notes let you upload your notes and earn money every time someone downloads them. Just make sure you're following any academic guidelines about sharing notes. Idea 5. Remote customer service jobs. Remote customer service jobs are another great option. Companies often hire part-time customer service reps, and you can work right from your dorm. Check out sites like remote.co or Indeed for listings. The hours can be flexible, and it's a solid way to build communication skills. Idea 6. Content creation. Now, let's talk about content creation. If you love creating videos, writing blogs, or taking photos, there's a world of opportunities for you. You could start a YouTube channel, blog, or Instagram account about something you love, and once you grow an audience, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Idea 7. Reselling items online. Got stuff you no longer need? Or maybe you're into thrifting? You can sell gently used clothes, books, or electronics on platforms like Depop, Poshmark, or eBay. This is a great way to declutter, help someone else save money on their purchases, and earn extra cash. Idea 8. Selling handmade crafts or products. If you're crafty, you could make and sell your own products. This could be anything from jewelry to digital downloads, like custom-made planners. Etsy and Redbubble are awesome platforms for selling handmade or unique products to a broader audience. Idea 9. Participate in surveys and focus groups. Here's an easy one. Participate in online surveys or focus groups. Sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and even some research companies offer paid surveys. And occasionally, there are focus groups that pay even more. It's not a huge amount, but it's easy money that you can earn during study breaks. Idea 10. Babysitting or pet sitting. And last but not least, babysitting or pet sitting. If you're good with kids or animals, this can be a fun way to make some cash. You can set up gigs through sites like care.com or Rover. And if you live in a college town, there are usually plenty of families or professors who need a reliable sitter. So there you have it, 10 awesome ways to make money as a student. Whether you're looking for flexible work or something creative, there's something here for everyone. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these or if you have other suggestions.